We are in our Leila Fletcher book, Level 1, playing number 9, the evening song. Now before we get started here, I want you to look at the piece of music, and you'll see these long arched lines that are all through the music. You have 4 of them. Those are called a phrase, and they put a group of notes together, almost like a sentence. You have the first word, the last word, and the period. And so that all plays together like a thought. So here I'm going to play it. We have both hands on the piano. Thumbs are sharing middle C. Get all your fingers out there. Make them all flexible. Wrists up. Act like you've got a ping pong ball under here. And this is how evening song sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's look at the top line again, and I want you to notice that I put a break between evening and ushers. You'll hear a break. When I'm in a phrase, all the notes flow together. There's no break in between any of them. Here, this is how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hear that? The break is the end of the phrase, and it starts a new sentence or a new stanza in a song or a new thought. Enjoy this one. It's a pretty song.